Welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battle Part 5. It's gonna be crazy. We got War Professa up in here. We got Rapalot in here. We got a BB. We got English Brian. We got everybody. But first, we gotta make sure everybody's safe. You got your burner on you? Son, why you always bringing the burner, son? Come on, son. Now, everybody's good. Go!
Yo, the killing thing, me I go show you how it work. Me born out a pussy from birth. Yeah, but fuck your gal as soon as she start flirt. You fling tongue under crotches, me fling dick under skirt. Rapper Latina bad, me know a lady bother. Me and my friend them fuck out your baby mother. So that's the real thing, this pussy wall rapper lad. He ma carry one bag of pussy feeling. Yo, hold on there now, yard man a vulture. Alright you know, me got disrespect in culture. A football to me thing. You hear that clapping, me no play basketball, I love touch man body. You know in a my league that use a real pato. Me fire gunshot out a gun. Him a fire gunshot out a ketchup buckle. Yo, I'm to that fool man. Suck your mother.
Rapalot, go!
My aim is to kill body boys so I target fags. Red dots on your head like a target bag. Yeah, you talk about my bitch, but I'm hardly mad. And that box shit is played out. I got your bitch in my bed, she laid out. While you calling the phone asking, yo, why you stayed out? My gun knows nothing about piece detection. Your pants so tight, you got yeast infection. Bragging about you smashed my girl, that didn't hurt me. You smashed shorty raw and she had herpes. I chop you like a ninja, you ugly like a gully bop. One in your brain, nigga, I'll let your scully pop. What? Yo,
hey.
Son, what up, son? What y'all niggas trying to do, son? Yo,
You
pass me
cannot
my
talk
gun.
to my brother like this. This is not good.
I can see me step in at the club with three gal. To kill body boy them fi make that legal. Yo, this me and your life me a come feed. Fuck if me no kill something to them, me they not complete. Catch him at the bus stop, the boy ball complete. Mother start cry for him soul, but me done with him. But ya stink and she find him as well. Go fi 245, but I no time me a tell. This what you doing, boy? This is for me basement. You cannot come in here. Somebody go for me machine. Go for me machine.
You can support by buying a Box t-shirt or just share the video.